here?
We are three wise men.
What?
We are three wise men.
Well, what are you doing creeping around the couches at 2 o'clock in the morning? That doesn't sound very wise to me.
We are astronomers.
We've come from the east.
Is this some kind of joke?
We wish to praise the infant.
We must pay homage to him.
Oh, raise your gun! It's disgusting! Out! The look out!
No.
We're sitting here with tales about oriental fortune tellers. Come on, out!
No. We must sing him.
We're for someone else's bread. Go on, out!
We are led by a star.
We're lit by a boxing moonlight. Go on, out!
No. We must see him. We have brought presents.
Out!
Gold, frankincense, myrrh.
Why didn't you say? There's somewhere there. Well, what is a myrrh anyway?
It's a valuable ball.
A bomb? What are you giving a bomb for? You might hurt him.
What?
It's a dangerous animal. Quick, throw it in the trough.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. It is a great, big...
No. It's an ointment.
Oh, there is an animal called a bomb, or did I just scream it? So you're astrologist. What is he then? What star sign is he?
Oh, Capricorn.
Oh, Capricorn. What are you like?
But he's the Son of God, our Messiah.
King of the Jews.
And that's Capricorn, is it?
Oh, no. That is just him.
Oh, I was going to say otherwise. There'd be a lot of them.
By what name are you calling him?
Brian?
We worship you, O Brian, who are Lord over us all. Praise unto you, Brian, unto the Lord our Father. Amen.
Do you do a lot of this then?
What?
This freezing.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay, so if you're going by game, do open and thanks a lot for the gold and frankincense. But don't worry too much about the burn next time, okay? Thank you, goodbye. Oh, weren't they nice? Out of your mind, but look at that. Hey, what? What? Hey, you just gave me that. That's mine.